Hello student, today we will continue our chapter 3, that is managing file or folders. In previous video we had already completed till copying a file or a folder. From today we will start with a new topic, that is renaming a file or a folder. To rename a file or a folder, these following steps should be taken. First, right click on that desired file or a folder and select the rename option from the shortcut menu. The shortcut menu is also known as context menu or drop down menu. Type the new name and press the enter key. The name of that file is changed to the new name, whatever you type. Then deleting a file or a folder. You can delete the unwanted file or a folder from your computer system. To delete a file or a folder, following given steps should be taken. First, select the file or a folder you want to delete. Second step, click on the organize button and select the delete option from the drop down menu. Third, a message box appears to confirm the deletion. Select yes to confirm it. Now you will find that the selected file or a folder has been deleted. Moving a file or a folder. Moving a file or a folder means shifting it from its original location to another location. To move a file or a folder, these steps should be taken. First step is select any file or folder that you want to move. Second step, click on the organize button and select the copy option from the drop down menu. Third step, select the location and the folder where you want to move that desired file or the folder. Fourth option, now click on the paste option in the organize drop down list. You will observe that the selected file or folder is shifted from the source location to the definite location, that is the destination. Means what you have to take in? First step is to select that desired file or folder which you want to move. After that, click on the organize button. When you click on the organize button, a menu is open which contain various options such as cut, copy, paste, delete, rename, etc. From that menu, select cut option. When you select the cut option, your file is moved from that option, from that place, and then after select the location where you want to move that file or a folder. When you select the location, then again click on the organize button. Again the drop down menu open, from where this time you have to select the paste option. When you select the paste option, you will observe that the selected file is shifted from the old location to the new location where you want to select. Now, restoring a file or a folder. The file or a folder which are deleted can be restored also from their original location. To restore a deleted file from the recycle bin, these steps should be taken. First, open the recycle folder. You get the recycle folder on the desktop. When you open the recycle folder, the various file and folder are shown you which are already contained in recycle bin. Select the desired file or a folder which you want to restore. After that, click on organize button. When you click on organize button, a menu is open which is known as drop down menu or shortcut menu, where you get various options. From that option, select the restore option. When you select the restore option, the selected file or a folder disappear from the recycle bin and get restored at its original location. So from that manner you can restore your file or a folder. Now, finding a file or a folder. Student, Windows offer a number of ways to find a file or a folder. And one of the easiest method to find any file or a folder is search box. In search box, you can directly locate your file by using it. Okay, for that you have to write the name of that file or a folder which you want to find. If you don't remember the full name of that file, just write a part of the name. You can also write the date when you last modify a file. To search a file or a folder, first click on the start button. Now you will find a search option located at the bottom of the left panel. At that box, type the full name of a file or a part of a file. Either you can type the complete name or you can type a part of that file name. You can also type the word or the any sentence that is present in the file or any phrases that is present in the file. As you type the item that match your content or text appear on the start menu. Select the desired file or folder. It will open in the new window. So this is the simplest way. Just what you have to do to find any file or a folder, just simply click on the search option box, write the complete name of the file. If you not remember the complete name, just type the any part of that name of that file, or you may write any paragraph or any sentence which is present in that file. By the help of that clue, your computer system search the file and you get that file on the desktop. So this is the easiest way to find any file or folder. So this is for today. We will continue next topic in another video. Thank you.